This is, summer 2026. Your year to heal, restore, rediscover. Join us as we explore Europe's top destinations for wellness spa's unforgettable rejuvenation. I speak to you as a traveler and as an observer of the natural rituals that mend body and spirit. In the next few minutes I will guide you across 10 sanctuaries, chosen for their health-focused spa offerings, cultural texture, food restorative activities. Expect geothermal baths, Roman springs, cliffside yoga, thalassotherapy, Alpine silence and modern medical wellness collaborations. These are invitations to slow down, to taste, breathe, walk, soak and restore. Let us begin. I have stood on the edge of fields of black lava, where steam rises like breath from the earth itself, and I know why Iceland's waters feel like balm. The blue lagoon, milky with silica, and rich in minerals, cradles bodies in warm, mineral-dense water. People come with sunburned cheeks or tired shoulders. They leave with skin soothed and minds quieted by the elemental hush. Beyond the famous lagoon lies Reykjanes, a patchwork of geothermal pools, hot springs, and obsidian coastlines. Shoulder seasons offer the chance to bathe under long twilight and, if fortune allows, the northern lights ribboning above, a celestial counterpoint to subterranean warmth. The contrast of fire and ice is not merely dramatic, it heals. Reykjavik adds a contemporary pulse, compact museums, avant-garde restaurants serving line-caught cod and lamb, and boutique spa hotels that blend design with Icelandic remedies. Hikes trace coastal ridges, and outdoor geothermal pools punctuate the landscape, inviting immersion after a day on the lava fields. In 2026, Iceland is doubling down on sustainable wellness, community-led tourism, geothermal-powered spas, and partnerships between specialists and clinics to offer advanced medical wellness programs. For those seeking elemental healing, Iceland remains incomparable. Bath is a city that carries its springs like an heirloom. You can feel the weight of centuries in its stones. I walk along honey-colored Georgian facades and sense the continuity. Roman engineers who tapped thermal springs, Victorians who formalized spa culture, today's guests who sip restorative waters in historic surroundings. The Roman baths themselves speak in steam and stone. There is ritual in the slow circulation of warm water through ancient conduits, a ritual I've seen repeated over millennia. Luxury spa hotels now harvest that same thermal legacy, offering treatments that blend modern science with the mineral-rich waters the Romans prized. Wander the walking gardens, accept an afternoon tea, you'll find restorative culture in every corner. Chapter 4. Santorini captures sun and silence in equal measure, white cliff villages that look out over a sapphire sea, and a diet that itself is a form of therapy. I often marvel at how simple rhythms, dawn yoga, seawater inhalation, Mediterranean meals, Sorn, Remayan Neowam, retune the nervous system. Sea air therapy is subtle but profound, salt-scented breezes, light that steadies the eye, and the Aegean's mineral-rich waters. Cliffside boutique wellness hotels curate slow mornings with guided breathwork and sunrise yoga that feel almost ritualistic against the caldera's silhouette. The volcanic soils nourish vineyards and olive groves. Meals of fresh fish, mezzi, and age-old local wine are restorative in their balance and seasonality. Near Nea Kameni, hot springs bubble at the water's edge, reminders of the Earth's thermal heartbeat that complement Santorini's calmer seaside rituals. For those seeking nutrition-led renewal, slow movement, and a sunlit pace, Santorini and its sister isles offer a Mediterranean blueprint for well-being that nourishes body and spirit alike. Chapter 5. The Amalfi coast is a choreography of light and scent. Lemon groves, narrow promenades, the sound of waves on stone. I have watched itineraries here revolve around sensory therapies, aromatherapy inspired by citrus thermal cave visits, and the restorative power of sea proximity. Sorrento offers a gateway to perfect coastal walks and locally infused spa rituals. Nearby Ischia hides thermal grottos where warm mineral waters lap stone chambers. Bathing here is an intimate exchange between body and earth. The treatments are tactile and ancient, yet often combined with contemporary wellness science. Culinary excellence is part of the therapy fish caught that morning, citrus-forward dishes, and an emphasis on olive oil and seasonal vegetables. Evening passeggiatas and slow dinners cultivate rest. Mornings begin with restorative hikes along coastal paths overlooking the Tyrrhenian. Chapter 7. Lake Bled is the kind of place that seems to pause time, a church-capped islet reflected in still water. mountains folded around the valley like protective arms. I have come here to witness the restorative effect of alpine silence, the lungs filling with cool, clean air, the mind easing into quiet. Nature immersion is the central therapy, forest bathing among ancient trees, gentle hikes in Triglav National Park, and the tactile calm of rowing across pale blue waters. Boutique lakeside spa hotels offer treatments that foreground local ingredients, herbal compresses, and honey-based rituals drawn from Slovenian tradition. Outdoor activities are both invigorating and meditative. Kayaking at dawn, alpine trails that lead to panoramic ridgelines, evenings by a slow fire, sampling hearty, wholesome cuisine grown nearby. Nearby Rogaška Slatina offers thermal options to complement the alpine therapies. For seekers of quiet restoration and elemental nature, Lake Bled and Triglav present an invitation to breathe, walk, and re-emerge. Chapter 8. Budapest is a city where steam rises from stone courtyards and history coils around every pool. I have wandered through the cavernous halls of Széchenyi and Geller, watching locals and travelers alike house themselves in warm thermal water, as if in a communal ritual of well-being. The grand bathhouses combine ornate architecture with powerful mineral waters used for centuries to ease rheumatism and relax muscles. Modern clinics now sit alongside these historic sites, offering advanced thermal therapies and medical wellness services. A fusion of past and present that feels very European. The city's food and nightlife provide a compelling balance: hearty Hungarian stews and contemporary bistro plates, then a tumble into ruin bars where laughter and lightness remind you that restoration includes joy. Affordable luxury accommodations make extended stays accessible. Budapest's thermal tradition is both democratic and sophisticated, a place where urban energy meets restorative immersion in a single, unforgettable cityscape. Outro. From ancient baths to modern retreats, Europe in 2026 offers transformative escapes for body, mind, and spirit. Which destination will renew you this summer? Subscribe for guides, routes, and wellness tips. I have shown you waters that warm the bones, cliffs that steady the heart, and kitchens that nourish the soul. Each place holds its own language of well-being, ritual, landscape, local craft that invites you to slow down and be mended. Whether you seek clinical restoration, elemental immersion, or simply a quieter pace of life, Europe's wellness escapes stand ready in 2026. Join the journey, choose the ritual that calls to you, and come back renewed. From ancient baths to modern retreats, Europe in 2026 offers transformative escapes for body, mind, and spirit. Which destination will renew you this summer? Subscribe for guides, routes, and wellness tips.